Here's Riley and Juliana. They're playing together. Only they're trying to clobber each other instead. Hey girls. Juliana's gonna bite Riley's hand.
Juliana has teeth too. So.
Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot about that.
And then payback, Juliana.
Riley beats her up most of the time. Hey girls. Can y'all say hi to the camera?
Juliana. Okay. Hey, sweet girl.
Hey, Juliana. Whoops.
Hey.
Can you say hi?
I'm serious. You're so serious.
Riley's like, I'll take it. No, I want it.
She's really good.
That's good. That's right, girl. You tell her. You tell her. Riley's like, look here, this one's got a tag on it.
Would you like the butterfly?
Oops. There goes Juliana.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, that was a good rollover, kid.
Oh, there you go. Are you gonna crawl? Are you gonna crawl?
Zoom in to Juliana. Say hi.
She's up on her knees.
Yeah, here comes Riley, gonna poke her eye out.
Do some exercises, huh, Juliana? She's trying to move forward. That's what Juliana does.
Are y'all gonna talk to the camera at all? Huh? No. Riley's like, are you kidding me? I'm not talking to the camera.
I did my one screaming at this.
Here she comes, your friend. Gentle Riley. That's nice. That's nice. Be gentle. Juliana's gonna take your book. No, she's not.
That's what's it
Yeah, don't poke her in the eye. Gentle Riley.
Oh, you want to
Alright, we're gonna say bye-bye.
Okay, let's stand.
Here.
You want to loom over her?
Pull her hair.
I've got the upper hand now.
Riley's like, get off me.
Is it your turn to stand up, Riley?
You want to stand up? Oh, yeah.
Oh, there we go.
You can just walk on her. Riley, don't walk on her. That's mean. Riley, sit down. Okay. We're going to say bye.